everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Khushbu Gandhi and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related to beauty. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell if you haven't up until now. For me, the skin glow and the festivities have to go hand in hand, but 2020 has not been an easy year, and I think the whole stress and everything is just showing on my face. But yes, I do want to put my best foot forward in this time of the year. So I was just doing some online hunting for good to use facial kits at home, because like I badly want to visit a salon, but I'm still skeptical and I would rather just stay at home and do something on my own rather than taking the risk of visiting a salon. So when I started doing my own online research on the facial kits, actually there are many options in the market, but what really caught my eye were the two kits by Pond's. One is the vitamin brightening facial kit and the other is the charcoal anti-pollution facial kit. So like the whole packaging and everything was very nice, and they are offering it at only 300 rupees. And more than that, Pond's is a brand that we all associate with so much. So I think me gravitating towards their brand was very obvious. So anyway, I just took the plunge and I got this one, the charcoal anti-pollution facial kit, because this is the kit that is meant for skin with a lot of blackheads and whiteheads and these pepper acnes. And basically it is a detoxification facial kit, which is just what my skin needs right now. So I decided to try it today, and then suddenly I thought that okay, why not shoot the whole process and just see how it goes. I have not tried this ever, it is absolutely new. So I thought that it would be a good idea to explore the entire range with my followers and see how it works out. Hopefully good, because I really want to get my festival glow back. Now this is how the whole packaging looks like. I think they've chosen the color black because it is a charcoal based facial kit and black just signifies it. It is a 6 product based kit, and over here they've written all the steps that you would need to do to attain whatever facial glow they are claiming. And it is over here, it is written that it is a home facial kit. Now the best part, something that I really like, is the fact that they have given tubes. Like normally I've seen people give those pouches kind of thing, and it is very difficult to store it. So with I think the tubes, the benefit is that you use whatever you want and then you store the rest. So packaging is clean, it's simple, it's very impactful. It's like you look at it and you know what it is supposed to do, right? Step number 1 is face wash. Now I will be using it to wash my face. Alright, so it is of like very dark black, charcoal-y in color, I would say. So you have to wash your face thoroughly, and it is like an extensively foaming face wash from what it appears, because it is foaming quite a lot. So yeah, I think I've extensively washed my face, so I'll just clean this up and be right back. Okay, I think the first step of detoxification is quite successful, because I really feel that my skin has become squeaky clean, I think it was a very thorough face wash, to say the least. Now the second step is scrubbing. Now scrubbing is important for everyone, because our skins, they do they have a turnover, so we all get dead skin accumulated, and scrubbing is the best way to get rid of it. But if you're someone who has the problem of blackheads and whiteheads, then this is something that you cannot do without. So scrubbing for me is just like that. It's very, very important for me. So let's take out a little bit of scrub. Actually, it's not black or dark green color. I don't know why I was thinking कि इसका color भी वैसे ही होगा. So I have not taken out a lot of scrub because I want to see how this works. और अगर I feel that नहीं अभी थोड़ा कम लग रहा है, then I'll just go over with it again, right? Okay, it's quite creamy. one thing that I have noticed with my skin is that if I don't scrub it for a really long time, then black hair, white hair and some acne coming is so expected. But I can actually feel a lot of dead skin, especially in this jaw area. You know, it becomes very uneven, and if you touch it, it's rough. I mean, you know, I don't feel like touching my skin because it's so rough and it's so uneven. So scrubbing for me is any which way is very, very important. And I am getting a good vibe about this scrub because the granules are really fine. I have used, I think, every scrub that there is under the sun, and one thing that I know for sure is that if you're using something for your face, just make sure that it's creamy. The granules are there, but they're very, very soft and tiny. Alright, now I think I've done a pretty good work with my scrub, so now I'll just wash it off and be right back. I can feel the work that the scrub has done on my face, and because it was a mild scrub, my skin has not turned red from anywhere. I mean, if your scrub is hard, you will have 1 or 2 red patches on your skin, that is for sure. But with this one, I scrubbed it for pretty long, but yeah, my skin is all good and it is feeling squeaky clean, especially if I touch this area. Like I was telling you about that dead skin accumulation, I can't feel that right now. So I think this scrub has really worked good on my skin. Now the next step is this massaging cream. I really like this step only when somebody else is doing it, but now because it's a home facial, I have to do it. Now according to this detail mention over here, this nourishing creme is loaded with vitamin B3 and vitamin E, and it is supposed to hydrate your skin, and hydration is something that I want all the time. So let's just see what this cream does. Alright, so it's quite it's not very thick, if I would say. It's thicker than an emulsion, but it's very you know, the consistency wise it's quite thin, just like a massaging cream, something that will get absorbed in your skin. So I'm going with this much right now, and we'll see if we need more product. So with gentle massaging strokes, I don't know a lot about facial massaging. All I know is that all your motions can be circular or can be upwards. And of course there should not be a lot of pressure from your hands because the skin of your face is quite thin. So I think the cream is pretty much absorbed in my face, and I used like a really good quantity of it, but I think my skin has sucked in all the cream because you know, it is always in need of moisturizer. Now this next step is a massage cream. Let's see what they say about it. So this is loaded with glycerine to moisturize your skin to give you a healthy glow. You're supposed to massage your face with this for 10 to 15 minutes, use water if needed, and then wipe it off. So it is, I'm pretty sure it would be a thicker formula, and because it has glycerine in it, so it's going to, you know, further hydrate your skin, and yeah, it is a thicker formula, and you know, basically just give you that kind of glow. So let's see. It's quite thick, so I think I would be needing a little bit of water. So I have this spray with me. Now they say that you have to massage it for 10 to 15 minutes, but because what I have noticed with my skin is that if I massage it for a really long time, then it tends to break out. So I am not taking that chance. So I'll probably just massage it for a good 5 to 8 minutes, and yeah, for me that would be it. If your skin works well with massaging, you can massage it for 10 to 15 minutes because at least that is what the instruction is saying, but my skin has a problem with that. massaging it for quite some time and I think I'm done. According to the instructions, you have to wipe it off with cotton. You're not supposed to wash it. So now I'll be just taking a dry cotton and wipe it all out. Alright, so I have wiped off the cream and it is feeling like really plump and hydrated. Next we have, for step number 5, a peel off mask, which is okay, it's enriched with bamboo charcoal and helps remove blackheads to brighten your skin. This is black in color and I can't say I did not expect that. So for the peel off mask, it's very important that your layer is very thin and even. Only then it will dry out nicely. I am using a silicone based brush because I had it. You can all use any brush or even your hands. So the mask is on. I'm looking really funny, scary to say the least, but yeah, you have to keep it for as long as it is completely dry, irrespective of what the instruction is saying. Do not peel the peel off mask until it is 200% dry. So yeah, I think my entire peel off mask is out, and once you take it out, it actually feels like a paper. I don't know what that is supposed to mean, but I'm just telling you the whole texture of it. And talking about my skin, it is feeling all, you know, like an LED light because there's so much of shine and glow happening on my skin right now. I think probably because of the charcoal peel off mask, all the little blackheads and whiteheads, everything came off. So yeah, my skin is feeling good. It really, wow. The last step is to use this finishing cream. It is supposed to be used like a regular moisturizer. So even though this peel off mask was very effective and you know it's charcoal based, it did not really dry out my skin. I mean, this cream also, it's quite light. My skin has completely absorbed it, and yeah, I think with this step we are done with the whole facial. And like, I can really feel the good effect of the facial on my skin. I mean, you know, I told you I picked the charcoal one because I wanted to detoxify my skin. And if someone asked me that how am I feeling right now, I would say my skin is feeling detoxified, because you know it's very clean, and this whole dead skin problem has gone away. A lot of blackheads and whiteheads are also gone. So yeah, I mean, I'm really liking it, like, you know, really liking it. So I did the entire facial in front of you guys, and my skin, it's actually feeling like an LED right now. It is shining and glowing so much, and I really like this kit, and the fact that it comes only for 300 rupees and you get 3 uses out of it. So for one facial you're just paying 100 rupees, and look at the effect. I mean, you don't have time to visit a salon, no problem, you have something to take care of you. I absolutely love this particular one. I mean, that was all that I wanted to talk to you guys about. I really hope that you found this video useful, and whatever your feedback is, please write it in the comment section below. And also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.